welcome to my channel. In this class we are going to learn to solve a arithmetic progression chapter of grade 10. So these are the formula we need to remember. So to write a general form of an AP, we have to remember this formula. AP is equals to A, comma, A plus D, comma, A plus 2D, comma, A plus 3D and so on. So if we are to write a first term, A will write A plus D. So first term plus common difference. First term plus 2 into common difference. Like that we are going to write a AP. Next, how to find out a common difference D. So this is a general form we are using to find out the common difference of D. Here it is K is equals to 1 if you give. So 1 plus 1 you will get it a 2. A2 minus A1, that only we are written. So here it is A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. Like that if it is continuous you will get it a AK plus 1 minus AK. So you can remember this only. So if they given a AP, you will take a second term minus first term, you are able to find out a common difference D. Next, so third formula, how to find out the nth term of an AP. Nth term, for example, 20th term of an AP. How to find out? So using a AN formula, AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here N is equals to 20, A20 is equals to A plus the given AP. Using that you will solve. A plus N means 20 you will write and afterwards common difference you will substitute and you will find out. Suppose if they given how many terms are there in a AP? That time you will find out the last term or AN term they given. So you will find out the N value. And also when you are applying a formula, this you will get it a confusion. How many terms of an AP? That time you have to apply this formula. 5th term of an AP, 17th term of an AP, 6th term of an AP. So that time you will apply this formula. So next we will move on to the sum. Sum of first n terms. So Sn, we can call it this as Sn is equals to n by 2 times of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So suppose if they given a AP like that, you need to suppose an AP consists of 10 terms, their sum. So if you add all 10 terms, what is the answer you will get it? That time we are applying this formula. So S10 is equals to 10 means n by 2, 10 by 2, 2 into the given AP. What is the first term they given? You will write n means 10. Common difference you will get it from the AP. Then obviously get it this sum. For example, if an AP consists of 5 terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose an AP consists 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you add all this, means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So that time if you find out sum, we are applying this formula. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That time we are applying this formula. So this is a simple one we are able to find out while saying or while add. So if they given a complicated problems or negative numbers or else, so different problems if they given, that time we are applying this formula. So we have to remember this one. So last problem, that is a last formula how to remember. Sn is equals to sum of terms. So ending term they given. Suppose this ending term it is 100. So that time we are applying this formula. So Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus n. So sum of first terms. Sum means we have to add all the AP's terms. That time we'll get it. This formula we need to apply and we have to get the sum. So if you like the video, press like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.